Hello and welcome to Mr. Shell's Scratch tutorial. This tutorial is for your project where you will have already connected a Makey Makey up to the laptop or Chromebook that you are going to be using. You followed the instruction video and you might be wondering how you get an event to play by using the Makey Makey. Realistically, it's very easy. Starting off in the scripts area, you can go to events, and when the flag is clicked, that means that your event or your program is live. So if you would like to have a sound play when you press a key, then all you need to do is grab one of these when space is pressed, grab a sound bite over here and attach it, make sure they're connecting, and when space is pressed, play a sound. I will press my spacebar now. Ah, great, it works. Do I need this flag? Possibly not. This entry or exit condition will be very useful if we get into a more complicated program. But for now, the flag, putting the practice here is a very good practice. If you've made a mistake and you've attached the wrong block, then all you need to do is click and drag it back out here and it's disappeared. Moving on, if you have connected your Makey Makey and you wanted to play another sound, not just from the spacebar, you click the down selection arrow there, and you can choose whichever key you would like to allocate it to. So if I selected this and I said when up arrow key is pressed, play sound meow. Now I could record my own sound here. Let's see, I don't know if this will work whilst I'm recording. And my recording is here. Let's see if it will record. And my sound will be bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. No, it doesn't seem to let me because I'm using the microphone to record. But this is where it would appear. Then we can quickly skip back to the scripts button, the scripts column, and you can change it to whatever sound I have made it. Going further, if I wanted to have another event to play here, when space is pressed, let's make the cat move and turn 15 degrees to clockwise. Let's see what happens. Press the space bar and the cat is slowly doing a 360. We have now made the cat move and also been able to teach it to make a sound when a button is pressed. Please subscribe.